Wow.
สวัสดีเจ้าทุกคนคุยอะไรก็ไทยจะถิ่น有เลยกินแล้วไหมไม่กินเราไม่หิวเหรอกินไปกินเลย 其實今日我希望唔會阻到大家太多時間啦。最近啲天氣話今日真係落大水喎，陰陰地落大水喎，係啦，所以就天氣就比較涼啲啦。所以如果今日你哋睇到我又拎住呢個星蠢美嘅北平道嘅 logo 做出嚟，就係今日就知道會同大家一齊傾我哋星蠢美嘅七公主其中一個女演員就係陳鳳玲啦。OK， 希望如果你哋有啲咩問題想問關於陳鳳玲嘅話，你哋可以留低你嘅口述話俾我聽。OK， 所以1分鐘之後我哋開始啦，係啦，42咁樣我哋開始啦。咦，趁ครับ嚟กินแล้วไหมไลฟ์เชิญครับเร็ว最近嘅天氣好毒，好似頭先我話齋，係，因為咁樣其實都差唔多多個禮拜就要假期噶啦噃，因為馬來西亞都有多個特假噶啦噃，有冇安排喺邊處先？我覺得如果真係好多人嘅話，我就覺得留喺呢度做翻自己想做嘅嘢會好啲啦，咁就唔使同人哋逼啦，係咪先？係啦，好啦，可以開始啦。So 咧就同大家分享下我係點樣認識到陳鳳玲嘅咧，就係我係因為電視劇而識到佢嘅 ，OK， 咁就同大家講下我有邊3部劇咧，我係識到佢嘅 ，OK。頭一部咧，我識到佢咧就係2004年嘅《任我遨遊》，英文名叫《The Champion》，佢嘅角色嘅名叫王彤，之前同歐萱啊，同謝婉瑜佢哋都有做嘅嚇，同埋 Toro 啦。同埋嗰個黐度下其中一個嘅佢哋嘅 member 啦，所以其實呢套戲我都睇到，其實有好多位明星有喺入邊做嘅，即是包括埋呢個陳鳳玲啦。OK， 呢個就係我頭一部識到佢嘅電視劇啦。咁第二部我識到嘅電視劇咧就係2005年嘅《同心圓1同埋2》，叫《Portrait of Home》。佢就叫白悲，係啦，所以呢套劇又算真係好長喎，好似嗰啲幼幼把嗰啲喜劇咁長，所以喺同一年都做咗成2套即係第一輯同第二輯都算好長下嘅咯噃，係啦，所以呢個咧就係我第2套電視劇識到呢個陳鳳玲嘅啦。咁之前咧陳鳳玲咧係唔係叫陳鳳玲嘅，佢叫陳亮炫，我仲記得嘅，所以之後先至改咗名叫做陳鳳玲，係啦。然之後咧，第3部戲咧，我識到嘅咧就係2008年最出名嘅小娘惹啦，所以英文名叫 The Little Nyonya， 所以佢喺入邊咧就係做特別嘉賓嘅，叫安慈，就係佢做到呢個小娘惹嘅後代，係啦。所以之後咧，我就係點樣講咧，就係睇咗佢嘅呢3部電視劇啦。嗰時候我比較得閒嘅時候咧。我就一定有睇，因為嗰時喺中學時期度咪啱我入大學嘅時候我就有睇到，所以入咗大學之後咧就冇咩時間啦，就冇乜睇新加坡啲戲啦。然之後就嗰時候就因為就嗰段時間睇到好多戲咗之後，就好想去 explore 下其實有啲咩嘢其他嘅我想睇嘅，所以我就嗰段時間我就冇咩睇新加坡，我就睇極大個國家嘅戲啦。所以呢個咧就係呢3套劇咧係我識到陳鳳玲嘅，唔知你哋又之前你哋都係咪同我一樣？係咪呢3套劇而識到呢個陳鳳玲？如果你哋都中意佢嘅其他嘅作品，你哋都係話俾我聽嘅 ，OK 嚇？所以你哋可以留低你嘅口述話俾我聽 ，OK？ 所以依家我轉頭嘅咯喎。So today I'm going to talk about Felicia Chin，OK？So and I'm going to talk about how did I get to know her from all the series that she acted in. Okay, so the first series that I know about her is from 2004, and the name of the drama is called The Champion, and the character that she portrays is Wang Tong. Yes, because I still remember this series. Actually, there is a lot of actors and actresses are involved in this drama. For example, like Toro from Taiwan, Seven Blossom from Taiwan as well, one of the member. We have Janet Au, and then yeah, we have a lot of we have Fiona Xie as well in this drama. So there's a lot of drama a lot of actresses are involved in this drama. Okay, and this is the first drama that I know from Felicia, and the second drama that I know from her, which is on 2005, where she portrays in the drama, the name of the drama called Portrait of Home, and the character that she portrays is Bao Bei. Yes, it's kind of a long drama like Yao Yao Ba, like all those situation comedy. So this is one of it. Okay, and this is the second drama that I know from her, and the third drama that I know from her, which is in 2008, which is the most famous drama in Asia, which is called The Little Nyonya. And in this drama, she doesn't really involve a lot of heavy kind of character, because she comes in as a special guest, and the character that she portrays is An Qi, as the later generation of Little Nyonya. So these are the three dramas that I know from her. So in the middle of the time, like after 2008, I was really busy on my study and also my work, so I didn't really watch a lot of Mediacorp drama, So at that time, I would like to explore more. So that's why I try to watch dramas from other countries. So I don't really involve a lot of Singaporean drama besides the year before 2008. Okay, so these are the dramas that I know from Felicia. So if you know any other Felicia works that you love the most, you may leave down a message below and let me know. Okay, I think that's all I want to share. My today's topic, which is one of our 7 wonders princess, which is Felicia Chin. Okay, I think that's all I would like to share my topic for today, which is Felicia Chin. Okay, so 下個禮拜我會同大家傾啲乜嘢呢？你哋可以留低你嘅口述話俾我聽，咁我就可以大概知道我可以同大家傾啲咩嘅。所以記得留低你哋嘅口信㗎啦噃，所以我哋下個禮拜再見㗎啦噃，ขอบคุณมากครับ，เจอกันแล้วทุกคน